will demonstrate you the interior of right atrium. Here now you can see this is the right atrium. Below you can see this is the inferior vena cava opening. This is the opening of superior vena cava. On this external aspect you can see the sulcus is running from the superior vena cava to the opening of superior vena cava to opening of inferior vena cava. This is sulcus terminalis. Now we take a cut from this sulcus terminalis and now we can see interior of right atrium. Now the muscular ridge which is corresponding this sulcus terminalis on inner aspect, interior of right atrium, it is crista terminalis. From this crista terminalis you can see the parallel muscular ridges are running forward. These are musculi pectinati. These musculi pectinati, if you see carefully, they are interlacing here, that is in the region of this auricle of the right atrium. Auricle of the right atrium is a common site of formation of thrombus. Now in the inner aspect, now you can see this is the smooth part, that is sinus venarum, which is receiving this superior vena cava opening, then here inferior vena cava opening, and here you can see opening of coronary sinus. If you can see here, opening of coronary sinus, I am putting a probe in it. This is the opening of coronary sinus, which is vein of the heart, draining the venous blood of the heart. So this is the coronary sinus. So these three, that is superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, then coronary sinus, along with the veni cordis minimi, they are the tributary of right atrium. Now you can see this rough part. This is the atrium proper, which is including this right auricle as well. This is including this musculi pectinati, right auricle, as well as now here you can see the opening between right atrium and right ventricle, that is the, you can see here the valve, that is the tricuspid valve. This is the tricuspid valve having the three cusps. And here on this side you can see interatrial septum. Interatrial septum is between the two atria, right atrium and left atrium. Here this interatrial septum, you can see over here the depression is there or fossa is there. So this is the fossa ovalis, which is developing from septum primum, and you can see upper part, and here over this posterior part you can see this limbus fossa ovalis, it is developing from septum secundum. Sometimes a probe can be passed from right atrium to left atrium, that is known as probe patency of this fossa ovalis, though it is physiologically closed. So this is the fossa ovalis and this is the limbus fossa ovalis. Now just above this coronary sinus you can see here, line by this here, between the septal cusp of tricuspid valve and there is a tendon of Todaro. So here there is a lodgement of atrioventricular node. This is known as triangle of Koch. While SA node is situated at the junction, at the near the opening of superior vena cava in the right atrium at this side. The valve of the inferior vena cava is eustachian valve, while the valve of coronary sinus is Thebachian valve. So this is about some of the features of interior of right atrium. Thank you.